Presenting the new Magnet Driver Kit, your total tool answer for home projects, vehicle repairs, and maintenance needs that has a variety of features to help you optimize your workflow, making it faster and more convenient to complete your tasks. Perfect for amateurs to professionals. This kit, based on magnetic properties, includes the Magnet Driver 50, Magnet Band, Magnet Evo 25, Magnet Chuck, Double Bit, Drill Bit, Ring Stopper, Magnet Handle, and Magnet Nail Holder. The Magnet Driver 50 is ideal for single or double tip power bits and simple screwdrivers. It holds your screws in place while using a drill or screwdriver. Now with a more optimized design and more flexibility and resistance, it is more compatible with different bits and guarantees the perfect finish for any screwing task. The Magnet Band is a masterfully designed magnetic band that helps you organize your bits, nuts, and screws. It is crafted with an elastic band that lets you carry it on your wrist, ankle, or even on your drill. It's your toolbox made super portable, preventing lost time and accessories. The Magnet Evo 25 is made for 25mm dual-use bits. Its uniquely designed special hitch allows it to adjust to the drill driver and prevents the bit holder from falling off the drill chuck. Its versatility also allows it to be placed on the front of a classic magnet bit holder and converts it into a screw holder. The Magnet Chuck is a professional drill bit holder with a secure connection for power bits that are simple, double, or insert bits. It incorporates the Magnet Driver Evo, preventing the bit holder from falling off the drill chuck. This new product combination creates a never-seen-before tool that will drastically improve your drilling technique. The Double Bit is an ensemble of metallic chrome-plated drill bits compatible with all Magnet Driver accessories and is color-coded and laser-marked with size references. Its high-quality material means we guarantee a long-lasting product life. The Drill Bit 10-in-1 are drill bits made of 100% durable steel with a carbide tip. They are color-coded and laser-etched, resistant to any material, and compatible with hexagonal locking systems. The Ring Stopper is a cap able to be faceted to the hexagonal part of various power bits and prevents any displacement of the magnet driver. Its perfect compatibility with the magnet driver helps stabilize it and is our #1 recommendation for repetitive tasks. The Magnet Handler boasts an ultra-modern design and dual functionality for screwing and storing at the same time. It's an ergonomic handle compatible with double power bits, simple power bits, hexagonal-based drill bits, and bit holders. It can also work as an extension and takes up little space. The Magnet Nail Holder has also been remarkably improved with a new material and is color-coded with an easy hook-on feature. It has a hexagonal head, ideal for holding nails in a secure way without risking harm to your fingers. The Magnet Driver Kit is your integral product combination for any situation: drilling, driving, and nailing. With these carefully crafted tools and accessories, you can undertake any kind of project with a secure and advanced approach. They allow you to work more comfortably, carrying out projects efficiently and getting to hard-to-reach places without any problem. Maximize your tool's possibilities thanks to the universality of our pieces, making once complicated jobs quicker and easier. Join the thousands of people who trust in Magnet Driver, your ultimate design solution for all your inspired projects.
As a painter, you know that paint color matters to your customers, and they always have questions. What color trim goes best with this wall? What color is the paint on the house next door? Does the paint brand you use have this color? Can you match this rug? How do you get answers to these questions fast so that you can get on with painting? With the Color Reader, all those questions can be answered in less than a second, and that means you can paint confidently. The Color Reader identifies paint color instantly. Doesn't matter the brand, doesn't matter the color standard, doesn't matter where you find that color. Place the Color Reader lens on the color you want to identify. Then check the mobile app. It gives you the paint color you need, its name, its brand, its color number. And it also gives you a palette of complementary colors. No more guessing by eye. No more scrutinizing fan decks. No more awkward decisions with customers about subjective color decisions. Get the job done fast. Make your customers happy. Be confident with color.
So, you want a quick way to measure stuff. What if you could measure anything just by walking? This is Measure 1. It can measure as far as a 1,000-foot tape measure. Measure through walls and obstacles as if they weren't there. Measure winding cable lines or tracks. Measure angles and curves. Calculate the area of a room, volume for storage, or a shipping package. Get the right incline for your decking or stairwell photos. Find the right horizontal level and distance for your coaster frames. Measure circular objects, cylinders, even irregular shapes, all with one hand. You just need to move it from one point to the other and you're done. Other measuring tools fail when there's too much light, the wrong surface, or if the space prevents them. Because it doesn't use lasers or a camera, Measure 1 isn't restricted by light or space. Use it anywhere, anytime, no matter the circumstance. Measure 1 is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. Your recordings are immediately saved in the app, which is already being sold in the App Store. The app also turns your phone into a rudimentary Measure device and already has 70,000 downloads and a solid 4-star rating from users. So, how does it work? Measure 1 uses an advanced technology called motion measuring. Motion measuring is the same technology used in rocket guidance systems to accurately track the movement and locations of rockets in 3D space. Using gyros, accelerometers, and magnetometers, Measure 1 plots its three-dimensional position in any space to measure distance, angle, level, and much more. Measure is the first motion measure device ever made for consumer use. It puts the same technology found in rockets in the palm of your hand. So, what are you waiting for? Back our campaign now and step into the future of measuring with Measure 1.
Introducing Auto Escape by InGear, an innovative multifunction auto emergency tool that integrates a high-powered LED flashlight and 2 life-saving escape tools. Constructed with military-grade aerospace aluminum, Auto Escape is fully waterproof and impact-resistant. Press the button once for high beam, again for low beam, and a third time to enable SOS mode. On high, Auto Escape puts out 135 lumens covering up to 492 feet. No matter what mode you're in, simply hold down the button and the beam will immediately shut off. Auto Escape comes with a car mount for easy access in an emergency. Peel off the 3M tape that comes in the box. Press and hold to the desired location, applying pressure for approximately 1 minute. Once the mount is attached, Auto Escape is ready to go. Auto Escape has 2 built-in escape tools to quickly get you out of an emergency. To cut the seatbelt, make sure the belt is pulled tight. Open the cap to reveal the blade. Position the blade inside the belt and slice away from the body. To break a window, use the exterior steel ball on top of the cap or the sharper tungsten steel punch beneath the cap. Hold Auto Escape tightly in your fist and make a stabbing motion towards a corner of a side or rear window, not at the center. Auto Escape gives you peace of mind knowing you're prepared when emergency strikes. Auto Escape by InGear. Always there, always prepared.
The Case Prep Duo makes quick work of various reloading chores. The cordless multifunction tool accommodates case neck brushes, primer pocket cleaners, and chamfer deburr accessories. The swivel body and integrated rubber feet allow convenient benchtop or handheld use. The 8/32 spindle head can be used for various reloading functions, or remove the 2 spindle head and use it as a powered screwdriver with standard 1/4-inch hex bits. Spend less time at the reloading bench and more time shooting with the Hornady Case Prep Duo.